uh, approximately 5 to 6 kilometers through cable car at an inclination. Currently, we are in these beautiful Bana Hills. As you can check, the temperature has dropped, and it's kind of proper Friends vibes. The Friends village is just at the back side of this place, and it feels surreal and really wonderful. So Bana Hills is approximately 20 to 21 kilometers from Da Nang as per this screenshot I have provided you in the particular video. Moreover, this Bana Hills is a part of French colony rule uh, dated to back 1900s. So most of the architectures here were a part of French people. So French designs are prevalent in this particular area. So that's the best part. One of the major attractions of Da Nang when you speak is Bana Hills. It's a must visit place. So there are kind of two level. The first level consists of wine cellar and Lingnan Pagoda. Basically, Lingnan Pagoda is a Buddhist place where people do meditations and all. A very religious place here in Vietnam. From here we'll be moving to the Golden Bridge, which is one level up. So it's really windy here. So here we are again one level up from the flower garden and wine cellar. This is the French village. We are currently into the French village. You can see the beautiful French architecture all around. The food is also great here. You can check the different eateries available. Just had our lunch here at a French town, top of Bana Hills. So had lunch at a European cuisine and it's fantastic. So currently we're heading back again to so the restaurant name is Four Seasons Restaurant where we had the lunch. This is a particular view of the French architecture. So we're heading back to some of the events here in the Bana Hills, and then we have to take two cable cars from top of the French village to the Golden Bridge, and then again from Golden Bridge to the base. So it'll take some time. I'll be showing you everything on the way, and this is fantastic architecture. Today here at Bana Hills, and currently it's 4 o'clock Vietnam time. That makes 2:30 p.m. Indian time. So the weather has drastically changed here from sunny to foggy. As you can check the weather here right now. It's extremely foggy weather. So the challenge right now is going down through the cable car because there's a really long queue. But with some special pass, if you want to pay higher, you'll be able to go soon. So this is the bend. So we're going down. But still the cable car is currently closed because of some weather issue. So once it opens up, we'll be going down and making the necessary arrangements.